New construction versus existing homes. That's what I want to talk to you about today, so don't go anywhere. One's not better than the other. They are just different and we know it. But wondering which is right for you. Here's a few points to ponder if you are not sure of what you want to do. Okay, so the first one, is it time on your side? Can you wait for a home to be built, or do you want to move in before the holidays that are just like right here, right now? Number two, are you looking for energy efficiency homes? Or are you okay with a few drafts, creaks, minor repairs? Because no house is perfect. We know that. So that might be a thing if you buy an existing home. Also, number three, do you want to tackle some small renovation projects or just hang a few pictures on the wall and call it a day? It depends on you. I think giving a house a new life, a new paint, your own touch is amazing. You can do that either way, but it's just something that you want to consider. Number four, is your location flexible, or you have to zero in on a certain zip code, a school district, a place that you like, a city where your family lives? That's a very important one. Okay, so we know new construction now is not like, we have many of them, but it's not like in the city. There's a lot of housing developments and stuff like that, but that might be something that you're not okay with. Maybe a little further south, east, I don't know, but you get the point. And are you looking and are you longing for a new house smell, or dying to breathe the new life into an older home that's teeming with potential? There's nothing to say about this one, because really it depends on you. I mean, new is always better, but if you take everything into consideration, all the things that I told you, there is an option. You can always have an option to find a place with the zip code, with the school district, with new construction. But if that's not the case, are you willing to go into an existing home instead of the construction, or vice versa? I would love to chat with you about more of this, or if you want to tour the new construction projects happening in West Broward, I will be more than happy to. Recently I went to two of them, Sunset Pines in the heart of Pembroke Pines, and Marbella and Miramar. Beautiful new construction that we can tour. So I have some videos coming up in the next week, so stay tuned for them. I tour the whole community and also inside of one of the houses that they have as a model. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I will see you next week.